Sa the remarks that you made about the Vice President yesterday in Tacloban, which to many come as inappropriate and even tasteless. Are those necessary considering the event?
Again, I didn't get you.
Yung
Saying about
the
the
remarks
Vice
about the Vice President,
Yes, sir.
which to many see it or come as inappropriate and even tasteless to the Vice President. Even the Vice President has actually issued a statement that what you said about her yesterday were tasteless and inappropriate considering
Saan
that sa Tacloban event.
What about?
Yung binanggit niyo po yung tinitignan niyo yung tuhod niya and that she's wearing short
Tuhod lang?
skirt during your cabinet
Yeah, I said she
meetings.
was wearing a skirt. Pero tuhod was walang ano. Sabi ko hindi nagsisimba ito. It is appropriate. As a matter of fact, it is good. So what's the problem there? What for an issue? Success, lure? Ano dyan na naman yung media? Ano ba sabihin ko? Totoo naman. And I said that every meeting, you ask all of the cabinet members just to lighten the moment. What's so special about the knee of a person?
Sir, sorry sir, but are those kind of comments necessary for an event commemorating a tragedy?
Yes, it is necessary to make people laugh, for them to enjoy the occasion. Kasi galit ako. I was angry yesterday because after 42 billion sa NHA, pati after 30 billion sa DSSD, hindi kami dyan ha, bago lang kami pumasok, ang naka-occupy pa lang is 4,000. Kaya ako to break the ice, yun ang ginawa ko. So what's so special about the body of a woman? Or the knee of a woman na walang kalyo? Ibig sabihin, baka hindi nagsisimba.
But isn't it offending, sir, for the president to be making those kind of comments about the vice
What's wrong
president?
being president? I do not stop being
woman,
president just because I do not exact standard for me. I will do what I say, and I say what I do. Those joke like that is nothing unless umakyat ka sa tuhod hanggang dito. Then that would be an extreme bad taste. Pero sabihin mo na, tignan mo, hindi ito tuhod nito. So, what's wrong with the knee of your wife? I mean, you have a wife. But what's wrong with that? If I say yung tuhod ng asawa mo, gasgas ka sa simba, may kalyo na. You want to depict me as bastos? You can have your day. It's not my concern to impose the standard kung yan ano. Do not put a limitation or cast aspersion sa mga biro ko kasi ako hindi ako general, politiko ako. Natural sa amin niya magpatawa lalo na after magalit. And just to point out something there, you make a big issue about ituhod na
Sir, last na po.
is that the trivialities of media? Sabagay, pupunta rin ako dito kasi nandito si Vice President. Kung saan siya nagapunta, nagpasunod-sunod ako. Pero byuda kasi annulled man ako sa annulled ako sa asawa. Pero may anak ako, basta masuportahan lang, okay lang yun. Ma'am, balita ko may boyfriend. Sabi diyan sa, huwag kang mahayaan. Do not be offended, pero yung sabi nila, hindi yung totoo. Okay, kung totoo yun, ma'am, may mapatay na congressman na bago. Para mabiyuda uli. Medyo, hindi ako galit. I'm not, malaman ninyo ako galit kasi sige lang akong, pag ako galit, sige lang ako nagtingin na magagandang babae. Kaya ganon talaga si Ma'am Lenny, binibiro ko yan. When the talks get boring and the argument starts, I always interject a joke para to make it more, pero totoo talaga. Nung una sa meeting, the arrangement, mas magkatabi kami. Sabihin ko kaya, ma'am, hindi ka magano. Kasi si Ma'am Lenny, medyo shorter than usual yung damit na, Siguro halata ng mga protocol officer. Sige ako sa likod. Sunny Dominguez naman, sabi ko, layo mo, dito kaya dito tayo ulit ka, sabi ko. Tingnan mo yung tuhod ni... Nung halata niya, sige na siya. Gusto ko sabihin, ma'am, mag-shorts ka na lang kaya. Huwag ito, iksi ka ng damit tapos. So, anong ginawa ng gaging, inulit niya hindi yung pagganon. So, dito, makikita mo man, binaliktad niya, tapos nakaharap na doon. Wala nang view. So, nung next mga after 3 cabinet meetings, doon na siya sa harap ko. Malayo ang tingin. Nga, salamat.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
All right, that
This
was
concludes
President Rodrigo Duterte speaking in Tacloban. He's at the third-year commemoration.
Thank you.